Lately, I've been working on a Williams E-60 shell, and I made some modifications to the roof area. What goes in this new opening towards the rear? Well, how about quad 20mm anti-aircraft guns? I remember now why I stopped building model kits. So many tiny little unbreakable parts, and so many tedious steps and instructions. This size is especially tiny too. 1/48 scale is perfect for O-gauge trains, but everything is so small. That's specifically why I like buying 1/43 scale cars and military vehicles that are already assembled. You don't have to do all this stuff. Tamiya kits are incredibly well designed. Once the parts are cleanly trimmed, they go together perfectly. I'm not going to change this kit in any way. I'm going to put it together just straight and stock from the box. I'm not going to build the trailer for it because I won't be needing it. This is an anti-aircraft gun that's going to be mounted on top of a wartime train. When I'm finished, this particular item will be made from maybe 30 or 40 individual parts, but it's really not too bad. I still wouldn't want to do it again though. I'm finally getting to the fun parts. The 4 20mm cannons, when these little pieces finally start to take the recognizable shape of an anti-aircraft gun. I'm almost finished with the assembly. The mechanism for the gun sight is the last thing to do before I start painting. This will be the location for the locomotive's air defense system. In the next video, I'll paint the train and apply custom decals made with inkjet decal paper and my MacBook. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until then, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.